Welcome to MURA FC. I will appreciate your time being here. It is what it is. Check out this beautiful packet. I'm gonna teach you how to sew it, how to cut it, how to fix it, how to stitch it. Hey, name it. You just name it. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. You can see how beautiful this shot look like. Yeah, it's MURA FC. Yeah, I made this one for myself. You know, you can check how beautiful it turned out to be. Everything is being contact. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click on the notification bell. So anytime that I post a video, you'll be notified that I post a video. Then you come in and watch it. But hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Give me a thumbs up and comment. So let's get started. Yeah, that is 8 inches. 11 inches for that. So you're gonna fold it into 2. It is what it is. Hey, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So we divide into 2. That is 5 and a half and 5 and a half. So making 11. So we're going to fold in 2 inches. When you fold 2 inches like that, that means we have folded 4 inches because the fabric is being folded into 2. I hope you understand. So we're gonna work on the wrong side of the fabric. Remember the 2 inches? That's the 2 inches. So we're gonna sew at that part. You can mark like 1.5 or 1 inches or 1.5 inches. It depends how you like it. Then we're gonna sew that part, both the top and the bottom. Yeah, you can see I just sewed that. Can you see? Yeah, you see it. Exactly. So you iron it. Take your time and iron it perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Click on the notification bell. So we're going to divide it into 2. You can see the way I'm dividing into 2. Divide it perfectly. Let it match perfectly. Then you iron it. Voila, you see how beautiful it has turned out to be. You see it? You feeling it? Yeah, I see. Wow, beautiful. See, we have not done yet. Here we go again. So you know we added the 2, so we have 8 inches at that part. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, tell me what you think, blow up what you think. If you have a question, do you want us to do any tutorial, just leave it on the link below, in the comment below, So you can see the simple way I'm doing the pocket. We're gonna sew on top like that. Yeah, I just sew on top like that. Can you see it? Yeah, so simple. So you fold the other side, just like that. You know, the pocket side can make it 6 by 6.5, you know, or maybe make the top 6 and the bottom 6.5, or 6 by 6 or 6.5 by 6.5. You're gonna depend how big, how small you want your packet to be. I will measure here 6.5. That's how I do it. 6.5. Yep, that is 6.5. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, tell me one thing. It's MURA FC, where greatness happens. When we say MURA FC, the response is where greatness happens. The place where greatness happens is MURA FC. You just have to keep on, take your time and just do it. Like I said, I made this one for myself. You know, this shot, that's the beauty of fashion. You know, you can make something for yourself and you're gonna wear it and people are gonna say, wow, can you make this one for me? I want the same style, and the person will just do it for you. It's like you can't be cooking, you can't eat some. You can't be selling food and you don't eat some. If you're selling food, you gotta eat some. If you're a fashion designer, you gotta sew some and wear it. If you're a painter, you definitely have to paint your room. So you can see how beautiful it has turned out to be. So you're gonna attach it to the shot. So you see, you have to get the middle. Check the middle. So you're gonna leave like 1 or 1.5 inches from the bottom. You make sure you check the middle. Yeah, you can see the middle is there, so you have to put it perfectly like that, and you sew on top. Just like that, you put it, you make sure you check the middle, you fix everything to the middle side of it, you put it there. It's MURA FC, just sew on top. Then it will come out nicely and beautiful. It's MURA FC. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Give me a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell. So anytime I post a video, you're gonna get a message saying, hey, MURA FC have dropped a banger video, so come and enjoy and learn how to do it. You have to make a double stitch. You know, when you reach that point, you have to make a double stitch to hold that place firm. You know, we put our hands inside so that it won't get torn easily. I'm going on 2 times. You make sure that your space that you leave is accurate, the same space. You take your time, don't rush. Hey, I'm used to this, so I can go fast. Hey, you gotta take your time when doing it. You know what it is. It is what it is. It's MURA FC. We're doing it and we're doing it and we're doing it. More videos to come out, more stuff to be coming up. So keep on watching, keep on supporting. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for learning it. It's a free tutorial, and you have to enjoy it and learn how to do it. Even if you have no interest in fashion, you can make it as your leisure time when you're free. You can get a sewing machine and be doing something for yourself, for your kid, for your whoever you want to do something for yourself, for your daughter. Yeah, just get a sewing machine. When you're free, your leisure time, and you'll be doing creating stuff. You can see how beautiful it turned out to be. So beautiful. We out. That is all.